Kingston arrested just hours after his mother was also arrested.
He lures people using his celebrity into having them release things.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got some wild news to dive into today. Rapper Sean Kingston found himself in serious trouble when he was arrested during a concert at a U.S. Army base in California. This happened just hours after SWAT raided his Florida mansion and took his mother into custody. Let's break down all the juicy details for you. The Broward County Sheriff's Office reported that Kingston was arrested without any issues due to a Florida warrant on fraud and theft charges at Fort Irwin, a base located about 150 miles northeast of Los Angeles. He was there to perform for the United States Army's Family and Morale, Welfare and Recreation (MWR) programs. Earlier on Thursday, Kingston's 61-year-old mom, Janice Turner, was apprehended when authorities raided the rapper's luxurious Southwest Ranches property in Florida. She faces charges similar to her son's. It's worth noting that Kingston was renting this mansion. The arrests are linked to allegations that Kingston swindled a tech company out of thousands of dollars in a deal over a television and speaker system. In February, Ver Entertainment LLC filed a lawsuit against Kingston, alleging breach of contract and fraud. According to the company, Kingston contacted them via Instagram to purchase a 232-inch colossal TV and a sound system, worth at least $111,000, promising to make promotional videos with his friend Justin Bieber. Kingston and Bieber, who collaborated on the 2010 hit Eeny Meeny, were supposed to make these videos to promote the products. However, the lawsuit claims Kingston had no ongoing work with Bieber and never intended to create the promotional content. The contract, agreed upon in October, outlined that Kingston would make a $30,000 down payment, followed by a second payment of $47,827.16, and social media posts valued at over $38,000. In total, Kingston would have received the TV and sound system for about $77,827.16, nearly $33,000 less than the original price. But he failed to make the second payment and did not produce the promo videos. Robert Rosenblatt, the attorney for Kingston and his mother, stated that they are aware of the allegations and are confident in a successful resolution in court. After the raid and his mother's arrest, Kingston took to Instagram, saying, "People love negative energy. I am good and so is my mother. My lawyers are handling everything as we speak." So, what do you think about this situation? Do you believe Kingston's defense? Or do you think the allegations hold water? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this and other hot gossip. See you in the next video.